What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Monroe Hill Farm YouTube channel. Today it's a little gloomy outside, so you can look in the background. It's just rainy and stuff like that, so we thought let's take advantage of it and go ahead and plant some seeds. So we've got a bunch of containers that I've kept from different plants we've planted along the house. So we're going to go ahead and get some soil in those things, get some seeds in them, and grow some more vegetables. Also want to introduce somebody that hadn't been in my videos yet, which is my youngest daughter, well, my only daughter, Hope. So this is Hope Baxter right there, and she is going to be my big time helper today.
Yep.
So we are going to get some seeds in the dirt and get some stuff growing. So hang out with us for a little while. I bought one of the little store-bought, 72 cell, I think it's 72 cell, little containers. So these little doodads, bought it from, I don't remember where I bought it. I think it was Tractor Supply or somewhere like that. Well, they come with these little seed pods. So I'm sure you guys have all seen these little things. You pour water on it, the dirt expands, and then you plant your seed. I think this is a problem. I think these things are mostly peat moss. I'm not quite sure what exactly they are. I'm not going to use these things ever again. I just think that they don't root good. They cause the plants just not to grow healthy. So we're changing up how we do things around here. I do want to go organic on just about everything I grow, at least try to maintain an organic lifestyle. So we're going to switch over to a new Miracle Grow organic soil that they've come out with that is certified organic. I've kind of looked at the ingredients on it. It all looks legit. So we're going to try this out and see exactly how this stuff works. It is a container mix, so we're going to see how well these actually will develop our vegetables and how well the root system, how strong they show results in. So I'll show you exactly what we're using, the bag of it, and we'll get these things in the ground and show you how we do it around our farm as far as getting the seeds prepped, soil ready, getting the containers filled up and all that. So let's check them all out. So there's the soil that we're using. Like I said, it's the Miracle Grow Performance Organic Soil, and these are all the containers. So different flowers around the house, things that I've purchased for our flower beds. I'm just going to fill all these containers up with different seeds. We've got tons of stuff in there that we're gonna plant today, so we'll get started on this now. All right, guys, today my little helper Hope is gonna show you guys what we plan on planting today. So we'll go through these real quick and kind of show you guys what we're planting. Which one are you gonna go with first?
We're going to go with the melons first.
Right,
we're planting a honeydew melon,
Okay.
a cantaloupe,
Okay.
orange watermelon, Baker Creek.
Up here at the top.
Up here.
Hey, no, look right there.
Oh,
There you go.
melon. What does it say?
Try to figure it out.
It's Kundendogo. Melon can say. I wonder what that says. American melon.
Okay.
Bidwell. Whatever it says. And this is golden bantam. Sweet corn. Llama beans. Market Tormore cucumber.
Okay.
Corba pole beans.
Mm-hmm.
Some yellow squash. Red cherry tomatoes. Kentucky purple green beans. Elephant garlic. Jalapenos. Orca.
What is that?
Orca spineless.
No. Is the R before the K or is the K before the R?
Okra.
There you go. Now what's next?
Antichoke fat baby cucumbers.
Fat baby cucumbers.
Woo!
All right, guys. So that's what we're gonna plant today. We're about to get started on it, and we're gonna have Miss Monroe Beth record us. She doesn't want to be on video, so we're gonna let her record us as we do this. Had to move over, guys. I realized I was standing, well, Hope made me realize that I was standing right on top of a fire ant hill. So we moved out on the porch a little bit, away from this fire ant hill. I had them all over me. They were going up my leg, on my boot. So what we do is we water down the soil real good, get it nice and damp, nice and wet, and then come back and put our seeds in. That way the soil's already wet. The seeds aren't going to get lodged out from where they are. So we'll get these things watered down and then go through seeding. So by doing it this way, you go ahead and get your soil nice and wet, put your seeds in there, and they're going to stay where you put them. So we'll go ahead and figure out now. Hope's going to decide kind of what she wants to plant first. What do you want to do first?
Let's do elephant garlic.
Elephant garlic. All right.
That's the hardest part.
So I do want to show you all with this elephant garlic. Hope's going to kind of show you guys what you have to do to plant
Since I have
this
longer
stuff.
nails.
So kind of get up, show them.
Oh, this one's almost cracked.
Kind of show them in the camera what you got to do with this elephant garlic.
So you see the it's like a sealing around the actual seed. You're just gonna try to peel that open, like make a crack in the middle. Just gonna peel it like this. Once you get it like to the bottom like this part, you can just pop it right out. Can't get it. Okay, this is what the seed will look like when you peel it.
Okay, all right. All right, next, what are we doing next, Hope?
Kentucky purple green beans. I just cracked it open, but you're actually supposed to peel it by the crack that's in the middle. And then there's some seeds in there. This one isn't as good as the one that we cracked open earlier. See, this is what the seeds look like, but there's only little seeds in here. They're supposed to be much bigger. I probably didn't get a great one.
All right, so that's green beans.
So we're about to do the jalapeno or jalapeno?
Jalapeno, not jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
That's
We
what
call
Daddy,
it a jalapeno.
Daddy always calls it a jalapeno.
So we're gonna open up this. Just gonna pop this open. Can you get that? I opened it wrong.
You just show them the seeds inside of there.
See, they're so healthy.
So they're full of seeds. So if I take and I just
I can smell the burning.
keep squeezing the seeds out of this thing, it is full.
Of like, it has like about 30 seeds in it. Probably. If you were to count it, it would have like about 50 seeds maybe.
So that is what you get out of one jalapeno.
It's crazy.
So if you look at the amount of seeds that are inside of these things, if you just dry them out, that's what you get. So we're gonna go ahead and plant these now.
So we're gonna do that baby cucumber. So this is that baby cucumber. Just gonna pop it open. Black things in there. That's all the seeds. That's what the one seed looks like. Just gonna pick out a bunch of more seeds. Just throw that out there. There's the fat baby cucumbers.
Cherry tomatoes!
Woo!
Now these are really small seeds. You don't have to show them. Everybody, I'm sure you guys have seen cherry tomato seeds, so. Right, next okra. So
No,
show them the okra seeds.
Let's take one out and keep like that. I'm trying. So here's the orca.
Alright.
I keep calling it orca. Okay.
Alright, come on. Now dig. On to lima beans.
My nose is going crazy. This is pretty much a lima bean. You pretty much just need to cook those. That would just be a lima bean. So you could just take this whole bag and just dump them in a pan and let it be cooked. Squash.
Now we're gonna go to squash.
This is what is squash. I'm gonna go show them a squash seed. So this is what a squash seed looks like.
Cobra pole beans.
Cobra.
Market molasses cucumber.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. I was
How big are those seeds?
like probably really little. So next we're gonna plant golden bantam sweet corn. We're gonna plant 3 in each.
I want to give a quick shout out on this video to, I'm not gonna say her last name, but Kim. Thank you for some of the dried vegetables that you've given us seeds on, and like some of these fruits that we're doing, or melons, we got from you. So we certainly appreciate it. We're gonna grow these things, and you're definitely welcome down here anytime to come gorge on these with us. Enjoy your crop. So that's it. We're going to get these things put in the greenhouse inside, so we'll get Hope to carry all these things in and load them up in the greenhouse that we've got inside and kind of show you guys that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Gotta say a definite thank you to my helper over here, Hope. She definitely helped me out today. Just wanted to get a video together on how we do things around our farm and planting seeds and getting them ready for germination and things like that. So we'll post another video here in the future kind of going over this Miracle Grow stuff and how well did it work? What was our germination rate on our vegetables? So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for future videos coming out on the farm, and we'll definitely appreciate you guys checking back in for us.
Later.